Welcome to Lesson 9, Power of a Power. Let's work our way through this example. This is a newer one. So first we're going to start with our original expression. Okay, so next we're going to expand. And we know that we have 5 squared with an exponent of 3. So the base here is 5 squared. So we know we have 5 squared by 5 squared by 5 squared. Next, we're going to expand each one of those 5 squared. So we're going to expand again. So it'll give us 5 by 5 by 5 by 5 by 5 by 5. And next we're going to write it in a single power, which is 5 with an exponent of 6, and we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we know that our original expression was 5 squared cubed, and we know that equals 5 with an exponent of 6. So it looks like the base has remained the same. And what did we do with our exponents? It looks like we multiplied them. Now let's have a look at another example or two and see if the pattern is the same. Okay, so first we're going to write in expanded form 1, which just means 2 cubed multiplied by 2 cubed. And now we're going to expand both of those terms. So 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, which gives us a single power of 2 with an exponent of 6. So again, we have 3 times 2, which is 6, and it works here. All right, let's look at our next example. So we're going to expand just the inside base, which is a negative 4 squared, and we know we're multiplying that by itself 3 times. So we have negative 4 squared by negative 4 squared by negative 4 squared. And we're going to expand even more. Negative 4 by negative 4 by negative 4, negative 4, and 2 more, negative 4, negative 4, which gives us a single power of negative 4 with an exponent of 6. So again, based on this, it looks like we're multiplying our exponents. So when we have a power of a power, we keep the base, and multiply the exponents. So again, to simplify a power of a power, we multiply the exponents. Now, with this new law in mind, I want you to go practice the textbook questions and the assignment I've provided for you, and make sure you check your solutions to see if you're on the right track.